Hi, welcome back to Intrusion Detection and Prevention Systems. Today we're going to do a simple process of cloning some machines so that we can monitor the traffic between those machines, change some settings in those without affecting the master machine. Throughout the course we may use this Windows 7 machine for several different purposes, and so cloning it allows us to, well, completely destroy the clones without impacting the master. So let's go ahead and start. You should have a section here, which is a group labeled IDPS. Go ahead and expand that down. And the first thing we're going to do is rename this machine. So instead of Windows 7 Pro, we're going to make that master underscore Windows 7 Pro. Say OK. And now that we've got that renamed, I'm going to right click and choose clone. Now, if you get this screen or this screen, whichever one, you can see that guided mode requires 2 steps, and expert mode does everything in 1 step. I'm going to use expert mode because the only difference is this little checkbox. Click. No, it's actually a radio button, but that little radio button. So on the guided mode, that's another window. On the expert mode, it's just right there in front of you. So let's go ahead and choose that one. Now I'm going to name these machines clone underscore Win 7 Pro. I think it's actually Ultimate. And I'll just do a 0, 1 on there. Choose clone. And then I'll do the same thing. Now I do have to be careful to be sure to choose the master image when cloning again. I don't want to clone off of my clone. Oops, I just dragged and created a new group. Okay. Now with that, I'll fix the group in a second. But right now, let's go ahead and right-click the clone. I'm sorry, right-click the master. There we go. Choose clone. And over here, we'll make this clone underscore Win 7 Pro 02. I think the other one was named 01. If we want to verify that, we can look over there and choose linked clone, not a full clone, and clone. So there we go. Now we got clone 1 and 2. And I'll move that to the top. And master right there. And all 3 of those should be out of that group up into the IDPS group. So I should be able to remove this group, ungroup those there. So there we go. We have the master, clone 1, and clone 2. Each of these machines can be started independently of the master, and you can also select both of those and power them both on at the same time. So you can go over here and start, power them both on at the same time. If you want to delete them entirely, you can right-click and choose Remove, and you can say delete all the files there to get rid of the machines entirely. And then this will still say linked base. So the way to get rid of that is over here where you have details. Click that, go to Snapshots, and delete the snapshots. And that will return you back to your original configuration. Anyway, hope this helped, and I look forward to seeing you in class soon.